Hi, I'm Anthony. Welcome to Palfinger Service Center in Jackson, New Jersey. Let me show you around. Jackson is one of many service centers throughout the United States. We have 13 technicians that service between Maine and Virginia. This facility is 10,000 square foot. We work on all Palfinger makes and models and other manufacturer equipment. Every technician has a computer to monitor their work orders, use for diagnostics, and look up parts. Thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to visit us at palfingerusa.com for all your service needs.